It's important that we address the problems of malnutrition and hunger because ang mga bata ang kinabukasan nating lahat. Bakit sila ang magugutom? Bakit sila ang nakakaranas ng malnutrition? Maapektuhan yung kung paano sila mag-isip, maapektuhan yung potential nila. Kitang-kita naman natin kung gaano kahirap. Walang deserving na walang resources, walang deserving na magutom, pwedeng walang poverty, pwedeng ma-lessen yung mga nagugutom because pwedeng magtulungan at pwedeng lumaganap tayo ng magkakasama. Hindi lang yung kung sino may kaya, sila lang ang nakakain. Things can change. It doesn't have to be this way. Posible na magbigay tayo ng, let's say, puhunan sa isang community at kaya nilang palaguin yun. Posible na mag-lessen yung gutom, lalo na mga bata. A lot of things can change and change will start with us. So helping each other it's free. So why not do it? Diba? I hope that we all realize how big of a problem hunger, poverty, and malnutrition is, especially here in our country, the Philippines. And please do join us in helping make change. It's easy. I hope we help more, we pray more, we give more, and the world will change, you'll see.